Hey guys, welcome back to Class FitSugar. My name is Chelsey Cioli, and today we got a 10-minute beginner's HIIT for you. So let's get to it. We're gonna start with a little bit of a warm-up, get our hips ready for all the work we're about to do. Sound good? Okay, so we're gonna start with a little bit of a circle, and we're just stepping side to side, warming up those hips. Get a little sway action in there.
I love this. Feels good.
This is Poofy, and she's gonna be doing the modifications today. So if you need to take something easy, check out her. And this is Paris, and we're gonna rock it out. So now we're gonna step out to the side. We're gonna reach for our shin, get a nice little twist up. Yes, all the crackles, snack, crackle, pop. And then we're gonna step out and twist, a little bit of pop rocks. You guys remember the pop rock candy?
Oh yeah.
And then stepping in.
Now I got pop rock hips.
Good. Really don't be afraid to really twist up, like look at the ceiling. That little look up will open up your chest more because we really want to open up that mid back here. Gets stuck a lot when we move. And let's go to the other side, one more. Good, okay, so from here, let's come down to the mat. We're gonna do a little needle threading. So we're gonna reach up towards the ceiling, similar thing that we just did, and then we're gonna come underneath. And then we'll do like 5 on each side, reaching up and under. Good. Nice. Last one. Good. And under. Okay. And then from here, switching sides again, reaching up. Yeah, so like the breathing. Nice, and last one. Good, putting the hands down on the mat. Yes, nice guys. Okay, so from here, we're gonna sit back to a child's pose. All right, so we have 2 options here. We're gonna come forward to a nice high plank, that's option 1. Or for an easier option, if you wanna watch Poofy, you can come forward, keep the knees on the mat, toes down. And rocking back. Good, and coming forward and back. Yes. Get that core ready. We're about to use it a lot today. I don't know if you guys are ready for that.
Oh, we're ready.
Good. Almost there. Good. Drop the knees down. We're gonna leave the hands underneath and we're gonna lift up. Good. Lift the knees up. We're gonna tap one shoulder and the opposite shoulder. Option to just stay in the tabletop position, sending the hands into the floor. Good. A few more. We got it. Nice. How we doing over there, Paris? You good? All right, finishing it out. Good. All right, so let's come on to our side. So we're gonna send one leg out. We're gonna go into a side plank. We're pressing up. And then we're gonna lift the leg up and down. Up and down. Nice. Option to stay like Poofy is, down on the mat. Good, almost there. Keep breathing. Yes. Nice. From here, we're flipping right over, picking up the intensity, coming in. Yes. Good, really bringing those knees into the chest. That looks good. Good, breathe it out, we got it. This is a hard one. 15 seconds left. Woo, I know.
15.
Bringing those knees in. Good, let's get it. Almost there, power through. Good, okay, let's come quickly to the other side. Sending the leg out. And we're pressing up and kick. Good, kick. Nice. And really, with this, you want to bring the leg slightly on the diagonal, so we're really targeting that hip here. Nice. Let's come back up to our plank. And we'll be here, and we're gonna jumping jack with the feet, out and in, out, yes. Nice, a little twist of jumping jacks. I mean, jumping jacks weren't torturous enough, so we had to put a little spin on it.
We love it. Yes. And it's working my arms too.
Yes, you'll feel that burn in your arms and your core. Good, few more, and then we're gonna stand right up and rest. Okay, how we doing, we okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so from here, let's step out to the side, squat down, feet in. Step out to the side, squat down, good. Step out, squat, together, nice. So with this, you really wanna send the hips back. So it's like you're sitting in a low chair. So that way the knees go right over the toes. If you're too forward, you're gonna get some knee pain, so none of this. We wanna send the hips back. Nice. Send that booty out just a little bit, you know?
Okay.
Just a little.
You look great.
Yes, good. And we're gonna pop to the side. We'll get a little boxing action in here. So you're gonna go jab, you do a cross, and then you're gonna throw a hook. Like that, yes. Jab, cross, and hook. Yes. Jab, cross, hook. Nice. Yes, good. So with this, you really wanna twist from the upper body, really get those obliques involved. How are we feeling with that?
Love it. Good.
Yes.
Powerful.
I know, a little bit of like female empowerment today. Why not?
No one better mess with us.
Good. All right, almost there. Get a little cardio in with this. Try and pick the speed up. I like the breathing, Poofy. Thanks. Good, and 3. Yes. All right, so from here, we're gonna drop down to the mat. All right, we got a modified push-up. We have 2 options with this. So we're gonna start down. From here, we're gonna press up to a push-up, and you're gonna row up, and then come back down. Option to do what Poofy's doing, bending the knees, coming up, squeezing the shoulder blades together, and down. Nice, 1 more and up. Row, and down. Good, we're popping right back up. Level changes today.
All right.
Okay, so we're gonna stand with our leg out to the side. We're gonna go elbow to knee and down. Elbow to knee, down. If balance is too much, you can just slide down that leg. Good, getting the oblique involved. Nice, we got it. Good, let's quickly pivot to the other leg, get the other oblique involved. Good, and hit it. Yes.
A challenge with the leg down.
I know, it's a little bit of a balance test. Good, almost there. Stay with me. Good, we're gonna do some jumps next. So from here, we're gonna jump together, jump down to a lunge. Together and lunge. Option to just step back like Poofy's doing. This is the cardio we were talking about. How we doing, Paris?
I'm good for now.
For now, yes. Good, feeling it in those legs. Quads are activated. Good. Almost there, you got it. Stay with it in these hard moments. Good. Few more, last few. Woo.
Go.
Oh, good, okay. So let's pop right down to the mat. From here, we're gonna send our toes up. Touching up, down, up, good. So you don't really have to reach for the toe. You can just slide up towards the shin, getting those abs involved. All right, guys, we're popping up again.
That was good.
Up, down, up, down. Okay, so we step out and squat together. Step out, squat, in, yes. Good, don't forget, we're sending those hips back. Have your little Miley Cyrus moment. Almost there, we're gonna go back down to the mat. And you know, if you're tired from that, that's okay, that's part of the workout. These level changes are important.
What we came for.
Yes. Yeah. So we're gonna come down here and we're repeating those mountain climbers. So we go in. Option to just tap. Nice, really send the energy through the floor. You really wanna prevent the back from arching, so you're gonna tap if you need and make that nice long straight line. Good, keeping the core engaged, last few. Good, guys, almost there. Good, next we're going back to those push-ups. Option to lay down on the mat for a hot sec. So we'll push up and we're gonna row, and come down. Remember, you have your modification option coming up on the knees, row, and down. Good, and up. Keep one straight line when you come up to the push-up. Good. Last few, row. We're standing right back up again. And we got our jab cross combo. So we go in, and hook. Yes, 1, 2, hook. Nice. Good, keep it up. Almost there, this is the last little stretch. Good. Nice, guys, how we doing?
Amazing.
Good. And cross, 1, 2, and cross. Nice, don't forget, get your upper body involved. Wanna work that oblique on the twist. Nice. Last 2, and 1. Good, okay, so let's come down to the mat and we'll do a hamstring stretch. So we're going to have our hands behind the knees and pressing up. Give my foot a little flex there. Good. Breathe into that. I know, right? This is deserved. Good. Okay, so from here, we're gonna go into a hip flexor stretch. So we're gonna send this leg out, and then we're gonna bring the knee in towards our chest. Feeling that?
Yeah, that's yummy.
Sometimes, depending on our hip structure, it helps people to open up to the side more. So if you wanna do that, you can.
I like that tip.
Yeah. A little bit of a stretch here in the hips, loosening them up. Good. Okay, so from here, we're gonna come back up to our hands and knees. And we're gonna do a slow needle thread. So we're gonna come up like this and then underneath. Good. And just hold here. Nice. One more breath. Good. Okay, and then we'll come back. Let's go this way, coming up and under and hold. Yeah, guys, we're almost there. Get a nice little juicy stretch in. Good. Okay, so from here, we have to repeat the hamstring stretch. So we're gonna go on the other side. Okay, so hands behind the knees, coming up. Give your foot a little flex. Nice. Breathe into that. Good. Let's quickly bend the knee, send the opposite leg out. Good, and remember, if you want, you can open up to the side here. Breathe into that space. Nice, guys, and relax. Okay, thanks, Poofy and Paris. You guys feeling good?
Yeah.
Yes, nice job, everyone. You showed up for yourself today. Thanks for joining us for our quick workout.